Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be traveling south down Vermont Route 108 to take a look at Smuggler's Notch, and we're going to learn some history about it. Smuggler's Notch is a mountain pass, and it's in Lamoille County, Vermont. It passes between Mount Mansfield, the highest peak in Vermont, the Sterling Range, and Spruce Peak. The Long Trail, a 272-mile hiking trail that runs the length of Vermont, traverses Smuggler's Notch. For hundreds of years, smugglers used the heavily wooded mountain range, caves and caverns throughout this pass to transport illegal or embargoed goods across the Canadian border. In 1807, the U.S. Congress placed an embargo on the imports of all English goods. To get around this, the British shipped food, clothing, and medical supplies to Canada and smuggled the materials down the Long Trail through the Smuggler's Notch Pass. Since the large caves in the Notch could be used to store supplies, it became an ideal focal point for much of the smuggling from Canada to the United States prior to the War of 1812. Although the Notch is primarily known for smuggling, fugitive slaves also used it as an escape route to Canada. The Notch was used again when the U.S. Congress enacted alcohol prohibition. Alcohol was smuggled through the Smuggler's Notch Pass and down to central and southern New England. The caves and caverns were ideal for storing alcohol around room temperature. Smuggler's Notch Resort is located on the northeast side of the pass, on the northern side of Sterling Range, with developments on Spruce Peak, Madonna Peak, and Morse Mountain. Stowe Mountain Resort straddles the southern end of the pass, with developments on both Mount Mansfield and Spruce Peak. The caves in the Notch retain ice until July. This winding road passes by cliffs that are up to 1,000 feet tall. The road is so narrow that the buses and large trucks are unable to pass. The The pass was originally a walking path only large enough for small carts and horses. The Notch Road is closed after the first snowfall, but it's still accessible by foot, skis, or snowmobile. In 1898, construction of the Mount Mansfield Electric Railroad was opened and ran through the pass. The line operated 3 passenger cars with baggage areas, 2 freight motors, a single work truck which basically was an open-air trolley, and a double-ended rotary snowplow. The railroad line was eventually dismantled due to little use, but the present Route 108 dates from 1910. It was improved in 1922, right in time for Prohibition. The Big Spring, which is located at the mouth of the Notch, has been popular since the 1800s, when its waters were claimed to have curative powers. This area is known for its collection of impressive rock formations, including Hunter and his dog, Smuggler's Cave, and Elephant's Head. Peregrine falcons are known to nest high in the altitudes of this area. I really recommend this drive to anyone that's in the area. This drive through the Notch is really beautiful. It takes about 40 minutes to drive from Stowe to Jeffersonville, and both towns have lots to offer. Like I said previously, this drive is closed during the winter time, but there are many ski resorts that are close by. As always, thank you very much for watching my video. This is a really fun drive to do, and I'm looking forward to doing more of these. If you like this video, please press like. And if you'd like to see more scenic routes and learn their history, subscribe to this channel. So far we have videos in Vermont, New Hampshire, and Massachusetts, and we have many more planned. So make sure to check us out every week. If you have an idea for a scenic drive in your area, please let us know in the comments. Our goal is to travel to every state in the United States, and we have many more to go. So I hope you will join us along the way. Thanks again, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.